Integrated Marine Systems is California's premier yacht upgrade provider, and today we join their team for the installation of 2 gyro stabilization units on board a Palm Beach 45, from setup to sea trial. Additionally, President Dave Sell will be walking us through some of the other upgrades they've installed on this motor yacht.
Hello everyone, my name is Dave Sell. I'm the president of Integrated Marine Systems here in Newport Beach. Today we are at Basin Marine on board this beautiful 2015 Palm Beach motor yacht, where the owner has asked us to install a gyro stabilization system for them.
An important factor to note is the care in which IMS takes with the installation process and protection of the vessel. Everything from the coverings preserving the decks to spending extra time and manpower on board, ensuring the final product works flawlessly and can be relied upon in any conditions while at sea.
After making an investment in gyro stabilization and other electronics, it's really important to protect those systems. The way we do that is by installing a Dockboost transformer. Given that shore power is highly inconsistent, this device protects the boat's electrical infrastructure from damaging spikes and dropouts. In addition to the gyro stabilizers, we've also installed high-definition satellite TV, high-speed internet, and Sirius XM for the owners. Another great tool that we've installed on this boat is this Dockmate system. This is a wireless remote control system that gives the owner complete control over their boat while stepped away from their helm. They can control their engines, the throttle, the bow thruster, the anchor windlass, and the dynamic positioning, all from this wireless remote control. If you'd like to learn more about the products and services we offer, visit our showroom in Newport Beach, look us up online, or give us a call.